and welcome back everyone. We are on the video series in which we are studying about kingdom fungi, and in this video we will be taking up the topic Basidiomycetes. In our last video we studied about Zygomycetes. That is left, that is the east part. Okay, I'll be taking that part separately after this particular topic. So let's begin. In this video we will be basically covering the life cycle of Basidiomycetes. Okay, it is also known as club fungi. Okay, why is it known as club fungi? Is because the fruiting body, all right, or the reproductive part, all right, they form a club shaped basidia. That is the reason why they are also known as club fungi. They are about 25,000 species, and the basis of naming is because club shaped structure called basidium. Okay, they contain a club shaped structure that is known as basidium. Okay, I'll be showing you what is basidium. You come here. Okay, this kind of structure with 4 nuclei at the terminal end is known as basidium. Like we have 5 finger, the basidium, they have 4 projections, okay, at the terminal part, and this structure is known as club shaped structure. All right, now coming to the sexual reproduction, here they also reproduce by the same means like Ascomycetes. All right, that is by the conidia formation. The thing is that Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, they are similar in all aspects. The only difference between them is the sexual reproduction part. Okay, one form a sac-like structure and other form a club-shaped structure. That is only the difference. Okay, rest of everything between Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, they are same. All right, here coming to the main part, that is sexual reproduction. I'll be explaining you whole of this thing. Okay, don't you worry. All right, now you see sexual reproduction, it takes place with the help of structure called basidium. Okay, sexual reproduction, it takes place with the help of structure known as basidium, that is 4 finger like structure. And then each basidium bear 4 basidiospores. Okay, inside the basidium you see this, they are known as basidiospores. All right, and the fruiting body as a whole is known as basidiocarp. Okay, single structure is known as basidium, right, and the fruiting body as a whole, all right, is known as basidiocarp. All right, these basidiocarp, it contains numerous basidium, and inside each basidium there are 4 basidiospores. Okay, so I have made this so that you people don't have confusion. All right, basidiocarp, basidia, basidiospores. Okay, basidiocarp means this big structure, basidia means each of the structure like this. Okay, and basidiospores are the spores present at each of the terminal. All right, so now coming to the sexual reproduction of Basidiomycetes, which is the main part of the life cycle of Basidiomycetes. All right, first of all you see there is the conjugation or the union of 2 strand, that is plus strand and minus strand. Okay, and this union happens underground. All right, and next is there is a growth of the fruiting body. Okay, this is the fruiting body at the point of contact of 2 hyphae. All right, there is a growth of fruiting body. This fruiting body, it grows in size and it matures. All right, and after maturation there are 4 parts, that is cap, gills, stalk and hyphae. Okay, and the cap contains gills. Okay, and each gill contains numerous basidia. Now these basidia, they tend to fuse. The basidia before fusion is known as monokaryons, and after the fusion, that is the fusion of the protoplasm, okay, they are known as dikaryon. Okay, in this stage what happens is the nuclei are not fused, only the protoplasm of 2 basidium are fused. The process is known as plasmogamy, and this is the process which lasts for a long period of time. That is here also, like Ascomycetes, the dikaryon stage lasts for a long period of time. Okay, and now they will finally form zygote, and the zygote stage is very short lived. Okay, as soon as it forms zygote, it undergoes meiosis, and 1 nuclei gives rise to 4 haploid nuclei. Okay, still the cell is 2n because they are not separated, you see. Okay, and now you see in this picture, this is the mature basidium where they are having 4 terminal end. Okay, each terminal end there is one spores, all right, and these spores are known as basidiospores. So after the meiotic division, the nuclei tend to migrate to the terminal end of the basidiospores, okay, and they remain there for certain period of time and they start forming a cell wall, okay, so that their protoplasm are now separate from one another and finally they fall off as a spores, and each basidiospores will again form plus hyphae or minus hyphae. Like both the black basidiospore will form plus hyphae and both the red basidiospore will form minus hyphae. Okay, this is how the Basidiomycetes they reproduces and they undergoes their complicated life cycle. All right, this kind of fungi, a sexual reproduction is uncommon, all right, but the sexual reproduction, it is more widely whispered. All right, and if you have any doubt in this particular topic, then you can please comment me on the comment section below, or if you have doubt in any rest of the topics also, all right, you can comment me on the comment section below. And again, in the next video we'll be moving forward with the life cycle of yeast. Until then, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.